In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email campaign in HighLevel. Whether you're new to this platform or just looking for a quick refresher, I'll guide you through each step clearly and thoroughly so you can easily set up your campaign in just a few minutes. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. Once that's open, type HighLevel into the search bar. You should see the official website listed among the results. Let's go ahead and select jude.gohighlevel.com to enter the platform. Now, we are ready to create the email content for your campaign. To do this, navigate to Marketing, then select Emails, and finally click on Campaigns. This is the section where you'll spend most of your time when building out your email messages. To get things rolling, click the New button. Alternatively, if you have a template you like already, you can use the three-dot menu next to it and choose Create Campaign from there. This flexibility lets you decide whether you want a fresh start or prefer to modify existing templates. Next, you'll be asked to select a template for your campaign. You have two choices here. You can opt for one of the pre-built templates, which can save you time and already include certain design elements, or you can choose to start from a blank canvas, allowing you full creative control over your design. Once you've selected your template, you'll be within the email builder. Here, you can customize your content by adding text, images, videos, and links. As you do this, ensure that your design aligns with your brand identity. Additionally, it's crucial to include a footer with an unsubscribe link to optimize your email deliverability and comply with regulations. Next, it's time to configure your sending options. You'll need to fill in the From Name and From Email fields. These are what your recipients will see when they receive your email, so make sure this information is easily recognizable. Now let's move on to creating a compelling subject line. The subject line is your first opportunity to grab the attention of your audience, so make it engaging. Choose your audience by selecting from all contacts, specific contacts, smart lists, or contacts with specific tags. For enhanced tracking, you can turn on email tracking and customize UTM parameters. These settings will give you valuable insights into your email's performance, helping you refine your future campaigns. Before we wrap up, let's review how to schedule and send your email. Carefully review all your settings to ensure everything is accurate. You have the option to send it immediately, schedule it for a specific date and time, or choose a batch scheduling option. Finally, click Review and Send to launch your email campaign. With this, your campaign will be on its way to reaching your contacts effectively. Congratulations! You've just set up your email campaign in HighLevel.